Good afternoon, folks. Well, I just got my new little toy in, my new little droid. Got this on sale through Amazon, through DJI. It was only about $350, so I decided to go ahead and get this Mavic Mini. Watched a lot of reviews for it, and they were good. And I believe it's going to be a good starter drone. And if I'm good with it, maybe I'll get a new one. But for now, let's just do the unboxing. Alright, try not to mess this up, Anthony. Oop. There we go. It started somewhere. Gotta make sure all the pieces parts are in it, so it's always a good thing to record your unboxing, especially if you've spent a few $100s on something. Definitely want to have it recorded because hopefully these delivery guys aren't just drop kicking their orders. But you never know, you know. Sometimes they just do their own thing. So let's get this going here. Man, it only took about 3 days for me to get this delivered. And right now, I know there's a lot of things going on with Black Friday, and you know, everyone's buying everything online these days because of the situation. So it was nice to be able to only get this in a few days, but I wouldn't be surprised if I had ordered it any later, if it would have taken a little bit longer, but that's fine. Alright, here we go. Got that part open. Now, let's open the box. Oh yeah. See, since I just got the basic one, I didn't want to get the Fly More package because all I need is one drone right now. So let's go ahead and see what we have here, if it's similar to what I've been seeing online on the YouTube. I gotta say, YouTube is a great resource to find real people looking at real products. So, okay, so we got the controller here. Let's open up this little bag, see how it looks. Okay, got the controller. Looks like it's in really good shape here. Okay, these things flip up like that, just like I've seen. Okay. Then I believe this is the phone holder part. Make sure everything comes out fine. Okay, make sure you got the joysticks are in the middle here. They just kind of have a place. Oh, they pop out pretty easily. Oh yeah, okay. Both of them are here. Just make sure both of them fit and work. These going? Oh, they twist in. Do they twist in? Oh yeah, they just kind of lock into place there once you get them in. Get them in the right spot. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Alright. Yeah, see, previously I've only bought like really cheap drones because I try to get into them. Like, for example, you probably see this guy over here. He was only $45, but a lot of fun to fly. May use it as just to race around trees and run into them because who cares? But this is definitely going to be. This one is definitely going to be the good one. So, there's the controller there. Let's look at this little guy. Ooh, wow. The controller might be just as heavy as the actual drone. Okay, so let's do a quick inspection. Make sure I don't see any damages. All the pieces that are supposed to be there are there. Okay, so I've got this little part holding in your lens cover, your gimbal cover, So we'll pull that off. Now, I've watched videos on YouTube about this of people that have already got this, so I kind of know what I'm doing. I'll try and put some links as to the people that I've watched, or at least like give out their names or whatever, because I've seen a lot of good reviews with this DJI Mavic Mini, and that's why I decided to splurge a little bit and get one. Still being careful though. Okay, so then they said something about taking the tape off these propellers. Oop, you gotta be careful. This is kind of on there. It's kind of on there, but I'm sure that's a good thing. Okay. Put that one piece out. And then I'm just going to take a picture of this. I didn't hear about anything about this little thing being here later, but you can take a quick pic. I'm going to hold on to this piece here. It has that little QR code or whatever. Maybe I just scan that. I don't think I'm going to use my regular phone on this one because I want to be able to have my regular phone for calls and such, or I don't want it to get interrupted while I'm trying to fly this expensive drone. So we'll see here. So what I hear is these flip out like so. Yep. Oh, look at those little motors you can see on the inside of them here. That looks pretty cool. Look at that. Okay. And then these parts, from what I hear, they flip down. Yep. Flip down. And you've got your little guy there. Pop off the lens cover. And I now have my little droney boy. So, all wonky vids, hopefully, knock on wood, that I don't lose it the first time, but I'm actually going to keep it low, just fly it in a little field. Let's take this last one out, make sure there's the battery in there. I don't have nails. Yep, there's the battery in there, so I'm going to pull this off. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pause this here. I'm going to charge the battery because from what I've seen is the battery comes uncharged. The battery comes uncharged, and I'm still waiting on my micro SD card, which will go in here so that I'm able to record video and everything. I think I got 128 gigabytes, hopefully. Or maybe I think I only got 64 gigabytes, but with only one drone and one battery and like flights time, honestly, at like, 25 minutes so far I've heard, I think 64 megabytes is enough because I'm not going to get super crazy yet. Unless you guys like my drone stuff and I do more, then we'll consider it. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll go ahead and set everything up, do a little fly around. But hey, at least you know what's going on, and pretty stoked that I have my little Mavic Mini. Thank you for watching.